Think of it like giving your tomato plants their own little hammock ceiling to climb on. You've laid a sheet of chicken wire across the top of your raised bed, kind of like a mini roof. From that roof, you hang lengths of twine, one double line for each plant, using simple slip knots so you can loosen or tighten as the vines grow. Then you gently clip or wrap a bit of thin wire around the main stem and the twine, just enough to keep it upright without squishing it. As your tomatoes reach up, the twine holds them up off the soil, and the chicken wire ceiling keeps everything organized in neat vertical columns. When the vines get longer, you just slide the knots up, add more twine for side branches, and prune the lower leaves. It's super flexible, low-tech, and you'll end up with straight, strong stems and easy-to-reach fruit instead of a tangled mess on the ground.